Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Rob Van Bergen, and welcome back to another Monday 10-minute training. So today I want to talk about the air we breathe, what we're breathing right now. It's absolutely crucial, right, that we eat good food for our health, that we drink water, we exercise, we sleep. But something I think we all take for granted is breathing. It's automatic. It requires no thinking on our part. But every breath we bring into our body not only fuels us to do all of those other things that are, important, that make up living, but it also exposes us to dirt, chemicals, smoke, germs, and it puts our body at risk. Now, wherever you live, clean air is not just a privilege, it's really supposed to be a basic human right. Indoor air pollution is a major concern due to factors like wildfires, which we get a lot of up here in Canada and pass on down to the US, as well as environmental pollutants. So ensuring the safety and purity of our indoor environments has become more important than ever before. So in light of these recent events, the focus of our August training has been shifted to prioritize air purification and safety. Now, what about salt? What does salt have to do with all of this? So salt is a universal symbol of purity, protection, and healing in cultural traditions. And it holds these profound spiritual significances across various cultures, symbolizing that purity, preservation, healing. And its ability to purify and preserve food has long been associated with the concept of eternal life and immortality. Now, when it comes to salt and air purification, it gets really interesting. Various filtration methods are used to remove pollutants and impurities from the air that we breathe, right? We often heard of things like HEPA filters and activated carbon filters, which are really, really common options. And essentially, salt air purification does it in the same way, but totally flips it on its head because it's a very unique and very holistic approach. Now, salt has inherent hygroscopic properties, is a bit of a tongue-tying word, and it attracts and absorbs water molecules and airborne impurities present in the air. So this process allows salt to trap impurities, allergens, pollutants, offering a natural and effective means of air purification. Now, salt therapy is also known in some circles as halotherapy, and it's gained popularity for its potential benefits in alleviating respiratory issues, especially in those people with asthma and allergies. Research studies have shown that salt therapy can improve lung function and reduce the frequency of asthma attacks, as well as benefit people with COPD. So who does benefit from salt therapy, really? I think salt therapy benefits adults and children alike, as athletes, animals, it doesn't really matter. It's a natural and safe approach to air purification, and there are no known side effects. Many people who undergo this therapy as kind of a complementary treatment will find relief from a variety of respiratory issues: allergies, asthma, bronchitis, bronchial infections, cold and flu. That's right. You can even clear viruses out of the air. COPD, cystic fibrosis, even emphysema. It's also beneficial to your skin in treating acne, eczema, and psoriasis because it's going to keep with the moisture keeping into your body. And we know that our body needs that salt to create the hypochlorous acid within it that helps fight off inflammation. Now, it's even shown evidence of reducing anxiety, fatigue, and stress too. Now, the best thing about the therapy is that despite the fact that it can be used to help treat the respiratory issues and skin conditions listed above, it can actually be used by anyone to enhance their overall respiratory hygiene and to combat the poor quality of today's indoor and outdoor air. And if you think about that, as we breathe in all of these particles that are negative, we're just introducing things that we don't want into our body. And this is a way of cleaning them in the air before they even get to you, right? Now, the FDA has yet to establish official protocols for salt therapy in the US, but some European countries have actually incorporated times into their treatments where they see the results. And we're looking at around 2 weeks to a month for most conditions, with asthma, whether it's mild and severe, being between 12 and 21 days of salt therapy to actually see the results appear. Bronchitis, whether it's recurrent or acute, is usually around 12 days as well. And even if it's chronic bronchitis, we're looking at about 21 days. Even cystic fibrosis, which it's really a horrible disease, this has been shown to show improvement there in 20 to 25 days as well. So there's a lot of stuff that we are seeing with salt therapy as it's becoming more and more popular. And hopefully it's chasing down the FDA certification that it will eventually need to be able to put those roles out there on the public, in the public eye. Now, beyond its role in air purification safety, natural air purification using salt offers other reported benefits as well, right? Enhanced sleep, mood enhancement, boosted immune function, allergy symptom relief. Now, there's a lot to this, and I'm going to be hosting a training on this on Wednesday, August 16th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Pacific time, because I think it's going to be incredibly beneficial for everyone and everyone's health. It's totally free training. I'll be talking about all of these concepts in depth and the mechanisms that work within the body. And you can join us both here on the Pain Free for Life support group and on Zoom as well. Your choice, whatever works for you. There is an invite link in the description of the video, so you'll be able to click there and register. During the webinar, we'll explore the powerful benefits of salt therapy for respiratory health and its potential to create a cleaner, healthier living environment. So I really hope people will join me to learn how salt's purifying properties can filter out impurities, allergens, odors, and also get rid of viruses, bacteria, and even mold in the air. So register now to secure your spots and embark on a journey toward a healthier, purer living environment for you and your loved ones. I'm Dr. Rob Van Bergen, and I really hope to see you all there. Thank you.